Want to swap out a dull sky with something beautiful? Here's how to use Befunky's Sky Replacer. First, open your image in the Befunky editor. In the left toolbar, click on the Sky Replacer tool. Befunky will automatically detect the sky in your image and give you a selection of sky options to choose from. Pick a sky that fits your vision. You can adjust the intensity and position of the sky for a more natural look. Once you're happy with the new sky, hit apply to make it permanent. Use a bright sunny sky for a more uplifting photo or a sunset sky for a dramatic effect. Have you tried swapping skies before? Let me know what kind of sky you would use in your edits. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.